to Amy's kitchen. Today we're gonna be making pizza! This is my favorite food ever. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is add some yeast in the middle of in the middle of hot water and mix it up together. And then let it set for 5 minutes until it gets nice and foamy and bubbly and everything. Let's add the yeast in Mix. Are you mix? Okay, I'll go help. See?
Sugar.
This is not sugar, it's yeast.
Sugar.
He doesn't know what yeast is called? Well,
Yucky.
It's not yucky, Arian. It's pizza. Well, it does look like that. Well, it'll turn nice out to be the best thing ever. While the yeast is setting, we're going to mix some salt and flour in another bowl, and we're going to be making wholemeal pizza. So that's healthy pizza. So let's add this salt in. Now the yeast is ready, we're going to be adding the yeast in our bowl and mixing it together. You mix it.
Right there.
Okay, I'll mix it so far, okay? Now we're going to be adding the warm water in. Well, we're not going to do the whole thing, we're going to do little bit. Stop pretending! Okay, let's little by little. That's enough. Are you mix? Okay, I'll go teach you how to mix. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. It's becoming dough, well not that doughy. It's a bit floury, so we're gonna add more hot water. We're going to be adding 15 milliliters of oil in this purple cup. It tells me how much. La la. I might use up all this oil. No, it might fill this whole purple thing. I'm gonna put it in. I put it in! Oh la la, I did it! Now we're gonna add a bit more hot water, little by little. Because it's not really dough. Our dough is coming out really nicely, so we're going to take it out of the bowl and put it on the table. Well, don't worry because we've wiped the table and everything. So let's do it. I'll take that. And that was a close one. Let's put the bowl to the side. Right like this. This is called kneading.
Kneading.
Do you want to try some?
Yeah.
Like this, or like this. I could show you. I'm gonna show you first. I'm gonna show you like this. You fold it and press it down. Just pretend like you're folding papers while you're just pressing them down. Now our dough is ready. You can press it and you'll see it bouncing up again to the same spot it was, and that tells you it is ready. Now we have to spread some oil on this bowl. What are you doing? I think he's looking at our times tables. It's like a little sheet where we can practice. Now we have to spread some oil on this bowl and place our dough in this bowl. And then we have to cover it with something and we have to let it set for 30 minutes. Before we roll the dough, we have to turn the oven on and flip your baking trays and put it in the oven so it gets nice and hot when you put the pizza in. Let's take this cover off and see if the dough has doubled. Oh, has it got more oven? It's double, Arian. Oh my gosh, look how squishy it is. Don't squish it. We want it to be nice and... Oh my gosh. What did... No! Never mind. No. Before you roll the dough, you have to sprinkle some flour on the table so the dough doesn't stick. It's nice and soft. It's much more softer than... We're going to be making 3 8-inch pizzas and we're going to make it about this size. So let's start. Now you need to take a parchment sheet and put some corn flour on it and you can roll your dough. You can even use your hands to roll it. Like you could do that. Like it's much bigger. This guy's just doing this. He's like this. He's like that. But Arian, no, you're making too much noise. Like this. I think this looks like a really good circle. I had an idea to make a perfect circled pizza. This is how we cut the pizza. My favorite part. And putting the toppings. So we press it down, and then we take off the sides. Arian, you want to help her? Got it. I'm helping Arian with one hand and I'm pressing very hard with the other hand. No, Arian, take off the... Yeah. How do you think it turned out? Give a guess and then I'll show you. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. 0. It's coming on the bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Turned out good. You have to press the side, and that part is going to be our crust. And we have to leave it in the oven for 4 minutes, and then we put our toppings and everything on and then we put it in the oven again. We have to prick some holes in the middle and everywhere and then it'll cook evenly. Good boy! He's doing it! And make sure you ask an adult to put your pizza in the oven because it's really hot. While that pizza is baking, we're going to roll the second pizza. And we're planning to put margarita on this, and then for the other pizza, we're planning to put some vegetables that are Mum and Dad will eat. And for the last one, we're planning to put my favourite thing in the whole wide world, Nutella. And we're gonna put chocolate, some sweetie stuff, everything. Now we've taken the first pizza out of the oven. It's so hot, so don't touch it. And we're putting the tomato sauce on. So you can buy tomato sauce, like pizza tomato sauce from the shops, or you can make it at home. We've made it at home. How to make the pizza sauce, the recipe is at the bottom. We're gonna put the cheese now. Orian's already sprinkled one. We're gonna keep doing more. Try some of the cheese. Delicious. The best ever.
Cheese pizza.
That's delicious. I just want some more. I can't. Oh, you put them on the sides, not in the middle.
We do.
Okay, that's enough. Cheese. Now the pizza is ready to go in the oven for 15 minutes. 10 and 5, 10 and 5, 10 and 5. 10 and 5! 10 and 10 and 5, right? Ready. It cooked much faster than I thought it would. It cooked less than 10 minutes. So once the sides are brown and the cheese turns brown a bit, you should take it out of the oven. Then, because if you don't take it out of the oven in that time, then it might burn. So you don't want it to burn. So you should take it out of the oven that time. Okay. Now we're putting the toppings for the second pizza. This pizza is for my mum and my dad, so we're going to put some vegetables because they like vegetables, and we might put some chili paste and the same tomato sauce and some cheese again. So first we're going to put the sauce. Next I'm going to put some mushrooms. Spicy food, so we're gonna put chili flakes. Dun dun dun. Oops. Next we're gonna put the cheese, my favourite part. Oh, you want to help me put some? What? We're gonna put this whole thing. This is what I would do. I would just put the whole thing, then spread it with my hands. Like, well, I can't touch this. I'll try that. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. See, like this. Like this. Like this. See? For the Nutella pizza, we decided to make, what's the shape is this? Heart. Good boy! And when you see a heart, that means love. And wait, where are these? And for the Nutella pizza, we decided to put sprinkles. And this is something. First, you need to put this in the oven for 10 minutes. Or before 10 minutes, or whenever it's ready, and then you can put your Nutella, and then you can put your sprinkles. This is like chocolate sprinkles. And then you can eat this one. Dessert! Now, our hot pizza is ready. Looks so pretty. Okay, let's just start onto the Nutella. Oh my gosh, my favorite part.
Chocolate.
I'm gonna
I eat them.
this. Oh yeah. Because it's a big pizza, I took a lot. It's melting nice. Ooh la la. And it's so pretty. Pretty.
Hot, hot, hot.
Pretty, 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 pretty. Pretty.
Hot, hot.
I have this spinning thing that helps cakes. Like, so you can keep it on the stand. Well, I'm using it for pizza. For the dessert pizza. Ooh la la. Arian, come here, help. You can spin it for me. Well, he won't really do that, so I'm doing it. Yeah. I put a little bit more Nutella because there was not enough that I took. I took a whole bunch and it's not even enough. I'm going to show you a little trick to make a design. So you have to place this like that. You don't move it, you just move this. And you can make a swirl. And you can do it as big as you can. Ah! Oops. You've had already chocolate. Why are you eating Now it's time for our final ingredient. Sprinkles. Let's do this. I'll do you. Stop eating it! This guy's eating it. Oh my gosh. Why is he eating it? I've nearly finished this whole thing. We hope you liked this video. And we made 3 different types of pizzas. A margarita pizza, a spicy veggie pizza, and a Nutella pizza for dessert. And it can spin. I hope you enjoy your pizza. And I hope you have fun making pizza. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Chocolate. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bye-bye! In my tummy. It's yummy. Bye! Are you say bye?
Bye-bye!
Wait, I want to do... Now the pizza's ready. It's tasting time.